Hello, and welcome to another one of our educative videos designed to help enhance your online shopping experience from within MyBidfood. In this third video regarding order forms, this video will help you to manage your order forms by either changing the sort order of the items or to add new products onto existing order forms that you have already. Let's run onto the order form screen. From the home screen, on the shortcut tab, click on My Order Forms. As you can see here, we'll be working with the fish portions order form that we created in our previous video. Just to quickly show you, we created and loaded two items, namely 250 to 280 gram portions of butterfish and 280 to 320 gram portions of butterfish. What I'd like to show you is, if you are going to customize your order form, simulated to the stock sheet that you use in your business, you'd like to change the sort order, wouldn't you? I'm going to show you how to change the sort order so that this second item appears first in the list. Again, instead of clicking View on the fish portions order form, this time I'm going to click Edit. As you can see now, there is an index column which allows you to choose a numerical number and affect the sort order. I want this item to be first, and I want that item to be second. Don't forget, if you are setting the index on your order form, you need to change the Sort By drop-down tool. I'm going to select it and then choose Manual Sort By, which means it'll then see the index that you've chosen and sort by accordingly. By clicking Finish, you update your order form, and now when we open it, you will see that the 280 gram portion is first and the 250 gram portion is second. The other question we get asked, if there is an existing order form and you'd like to add or edit products, how do you do that? So by clicking on your order form screen to get to your order form homepage, I'm going to choose Edit on the fish portions order form. There's an option now to remove items that you've already loaded, which I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the 250 gram portion from my order form. I click on the X and immediately the item disappears. Now I'm going to add a new product. I'm going to look for a king clip portion. By choosing any one of these options below, these items can be added to my existing order form. I click on Finish. Don't forget, you might want to index them once you've completed it. By clicking on Finish again, you will then have saved all your new items into your existing order form. You would have edited your index, which affects the sort order, and as you can see now by clicking on View, here is your latest updated order form with all the items that you have chosen. Isn't that great? We hope to see you soon in another one of our videos coming soon.